சுந்தரி கண்டால் ஒரு செய்தி சொல்லடி இந்நாள் நல்ல தீரி. நான் உன்னை நீங்க மாட்டேன், நீங்கினால் தூங்க மாட்டேன், சேர்ந்ததே நம் ஜீவன். சுந்தரி கண்ணால் ஒரு செய்தி சொல்லடி இந்நாள் நல்ல தேதி. நான் உன்னை நீங்க மாட்டேன், நீங்கினால் தூங்க மாட்டேன், சேர்ந்ததே நம் ஜீவன். சுந்தரி.
Ladies and gentlemen, from bottom of my heart, see, most of the times we come onto the stage, plan something for 3.5 hours, sing. We know where we went wrong, we know where it was good. Always it's a mix of so many pluses and minuses. But sometimes when we get very reciprocative audiences, and the minuses will be very less and the pluses will be more. Today that had happened. We are grateful to you all. As I was explaining to you in the beginning, whenever it's a mixed, not only here, when we go to US also, it's always a problem. It's very difficult to please everybody and every language. After some time, they think that lesser number of songs are sung in our language. But ultimately, today, whichever was the language in which we were singing, you were all enjoying it. That should be the spirit of music, actually. So music itself is the language, and thank you very much for enjoying it. On my behalf and our sponsors' behalf, a big bow to you guys, my mates. You have been very nice. Thank you very much.